y'all, and welcome to the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag plus for this month. Now I'm not going to say that I'm really excited about this month's box. I actually looked ahead of time and I wasn't into it at all. So I wound up buying 3 add-ons just to make my box seem a little bit better than it was. Whoops, I peaked this month, but you know what, whatever. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxings, and don't forget to enter my giveaway if you haven't yet. I'll have a little card up here. You can just click on it, or I'll have a link down below. You can go there after this video and enter my giveaway. I'm giving away the Strawberry Shake Palette by ColourPop and the Jeffree Star Mystery Liquid Lip from his Summer Mystery Boxes. Yes. And yeah, but anyways, this is this month's box, and I'm going to go ahead and get into showing you all the products and telling you what the value is. So the first item in this box is a Ahava. I think that's how you pronounce this. It's a hydration cream mask. So it says hydrate right here on the side. I'm going to assume it's very, very hydrating. So you can use this as just a regular face mask, or you can wear it overnight and wash it off in the morning. Smells pretty good, so I'm pretty excited about this. I need a lot of hydration for the skin, so that's fun. And let's see here. Okay, so the card's a little different this month, and the total value for this is $33. So yeah. The next thing in the box is by Tokyo Milk, and this is a blush oil stick, which that doesn't sound at all appetizing to me. Blush oil stick, no. I don't know how I feel about that. The packaging is really pretty though. So yeah, whatever. So it's a little cap on it. So this is the oil stick. It smells okay. How much product are we getting in here? You get a decent amount of blush, so that's pretty good too. I don't know how I feel about this color though. It's just a little bit red. I don't know. Let's do a swatch-a-rooney. That's pretty freaking dark for me. I guess if you shear it out, it's not so bad. We'll have to play and see if this works for me. But yeah, the retail value on this is $24. No. The next thing in the box is from Smith & Colt, which I've heard of them before, and this is a nail polish, and I got it in the shade Pillow Pie. The value on this is $18, which I can see why. This thing is like huge. This is like the size of like 2 nail polishes or something. I don't know. But the front of it has these little dents in it, but they're not actually dents. It's supposed to be like that. So yeah. Oh my god, I can't get this plastic thing off. Yeah. Okay. So this is very fancy. You like that sound, Eleanor? I can't. Oh. It doesn't twist, it just pops off. Great. And then, okay, yeah. This is a really pretty shade. It's definitely a shade that I am into, considering, you know, I have light pink nails now. So pretty excited for this. I'm not necessarily like amazed that I got a nail polish in my $25 freaking Glam Bag Plus box. I was more into getting nail polishes in my $10 Ipsy sample box, but I mean, it's a decent size, but it's just not fantastic. And like I said, the retail is $18. You know, I think it's okay for this price, but whatever. So the next thing in the box are some brushes from Farah. It says Be Beautiful, Be You. I guess that's the brush set name. And I always love getting brushes because you can never have too many, especially if you get good brushes that you can actually use, like the ones I got in my BoxyCharm. I didn't really like those brushes that much. They feel kind of cheap, like this is some really cheap plastic, but I mean they feel really soft and really nice. So yes, there's 5 brushes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I can count. And this one's going to be really good for the lower lash line. It's a pencil brush, and the retail value for these are, what? The retail value for these are $50. No, there's no way. These are some cheap brushes. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I think Ipsy is just jacking up these prices or something to make this box sound better, but no ma'am. Like when I got my, for example, when I got my Perlice watermelon face balm, whatever it was, the value for that, it said it was like $46 or $48. I went to Purelice's website and they were only selling it for like $24, $26. So I'm like, okay, so where are they pulling these prices from? If you go to their actual website and the actual everything, milliliter, ounces, everything was the exact same product for like 20 bucks cheaper. I know y'all's game, Ipsy. Y'all are playing with us, okay? These are not $50 brushes. I'm done talking about it. Let's move on. So the last item that I got in this box that aren't my add-ons is this palette here. This is called In the Palm of Your Hand, Greatest Hits Volume 2. I am very familiar with the Balm Cosmetics. So, yeah. Okay, yeah, these are just like bigger samples into a palette from like eyeshadows and like bronzers and blushes. So you have 4 blushes, not 4 blushes, 4 eyeshadows, a highlighter, a bronzer, and 3 blushes. And I've gotten this highlighter before as a sample, so this is definitely a bigger size. I've gotten this as a sample. This is definitely bigger than the sample. And I've gotten Frat Boy. And I might have gotten this one too. Yeah, I think I've gotten both of these before, but the sample sizes are a lot smaller, and these aren't as big as if you would have actually bought it separately, but it's still a pretty decent size, and I kind of like they put them all into a palette. The only thing I don't like is that it's just 4 dark shades. I don't see the point in that. At least put in shades that you can make like a full look on and not just 4 darker shades, but still I like the idea, and it's a cute little palette. I definitely know I will use it because I have used that Mary Lou highlighter before, and I did use the blushes too. So this is actually a cute little palette idea, and I like this. The value of this is $32, so there's that. And let's go ahead and show you guys what I got in for add-ons. So the first 2 things I got were these Pixie blushes, and I think these are full size. I'm not really sure, but they're pretty big, so I assume maybe they're full size. And these were the $3 samples, so that's why I got them, because I'm like, I will definitely pay $3 for a full size product. So I did. I can't open it. Oh, that's because there's plastic over it. I've never tried Pixie blushes before, so I'm pretty excited to try these out. They don't have like a smell or anything. I'm going to swatch this one. Super pretty. I can definitely see myself using that one. It's like a my shade color. And let's open up the other one. Wait, did I get 2 of the same ones? Oh, no, they just looked the same. I was about to say, I'm gonna be pissed if I got the exact same ones. So here's the other blush. So they almost look the same, but this one's definitely matte. This one has a little bit of like a shimmer to it. So yeah, I got these two blushes here because I just needed a little something else in this box because it just wasn't a very good box for me. Even though I have 3 blushes in the Balm palette, I wanted to try Pixie blushes, and who would pass up $3 on blushes? And the other thing that I got as an add-on, which was a $12 add-on, was from Touch in Sol, and this is the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. I wanted this in my box because I saw it was one of those items that was coming in the box, but I didn't get it, so I was like, wait, I want this. And the packaging is really pretty. Touch in Sol is like a really good brand that I have found out, so I wanted to try this cream. So yeah, it's very, very pretty. Love this. Can't wait to use it. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, it smells so freaking good. So freaking excited. How many times am I gonna say freaking? Yeah, okay, so yeah, now I'm just looking at the expiration date. But anyways, that's everything that I got in my Ipsy bag this month. Am I impressed with it? No. If I did another Ipsy versus BoxyCharm video, BoxyCharm won last time, but I'm gonna have to say BoxyCharm wins this time. I wasn't a fan of my Ipsy box. That's why I bought add-ons. So yeah. If you guys liked any of the items in this box, don't be offended, I swear. I just don't personally like them. But yeah, that's it. Should I do a review? Okay, water cream, 2 Pixie blushes, this like oil blush stick, a humongous but very pretty nail polish, this face thing, hydrating mask, these overpriced brushes, and this like tons of little things into one palette. So that's everything I got in my Ipsy bag this month. If you guys liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Don't forget to enter my giveaway if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!